My approach is to take our everyday experience of money and go from there into the system, and hopefully by doing that to show people there are chronic endemic problems in the system. So where does our money come from? That's a good question to start with. And our money is, for all intents and purposes, our medium of exchange. We buy and sell stuff, and we earn it, save it, lend it, and so on. And it comes in two forms as far as we, the users, are concerned. Physical cash, stuff in your pocket, your wallet, still quite widely used for pubs, corner shops, small everyday purchases. However, the business, the economy, is conducted using electronic computer money, the digits that jump from one bank account to another. So stuff is bought and sold and so on. So these money numbers, as we might think of them, these numbers within the bank's computers, are our medium of exchange. It's what we use to run our economy, and in that sense they are our money supply. So the question then arises, how do they come into being? Where do they come from? How do they get into the computers? How do they originate? And most people in this room know the answer to that, but let's have a look. First of all, we need some terminology. We need to start thinking like accountants, and two good concepts we need are assets and liabilities. I find this approach better than thinking of money flows, because that's a bit of an anachronism from when money was stuff and it used to actually physically move. All that changes now are the numbers. Some go up and some go down, and let's see how that works. So assets and liabilities. Well, an asset, in our context, we're talking about monetary assets. And obviously, you know, your family is an asset to you, but we're narrowing down monetary stuff of value, and can be property, but it also can be bonds or debts, other people's